The map. Oh, awesome.
Rolling around in my duty bag for a while.
No worries. This is actually
and
awesome.
then I don't know if you're aware or not, but 14 miles up the road we have Silver Falls State Park.
Give me both.
That has some of the most beautiful waterfalls you'll see.
Well, you know what? Despite the little hiccup we had over there with the people, I think the highlight is going to be the murals, the art, because it is not something every town has. And the fact that you guys are just, and not only that, but how patriotic the town is.
We have a whole mural society.